I never played I Am Cat. I've seen videos about it, but I just never downloaded. But I want to download I Am Bird, because in the game, because when I saw a video, it actually looks cool. Looks better than I Am Cat. What the? Okay, so I guess it wants me to climb. So what the? There we go. There. I'm so slow. I got Eden. What the fuck? What is all this? I am monkey? Look, I'm gonna buy that next. I am monkey. I wanna be a monkey. Hi, what's your name? What's the highest? Yo, this game's actually fun. I feel like invincible. No. No. Alright. I forgot I can climb. No. I'm back, James. Look at this bridge. Which oldest bridge? The oldest bridge. this is gonna be easy.
Notice, the speech begins soon. Assemble at the central square and practice respectful nodding. Final call. 30 seconds to the mayor's address. Move to the square now.
Clear lane, send. Track and fire. Crossing left. Fire. Target in sight. Track now, tempo.
Leave me alone. What is that? Is that my car or is that my shit? I want to get back at those fuckers. I'm gonna save up. I'm getting that shit. I'm gonna blow those motherfuckers up. Oh, 6-7.
Pockets
Oh,
light,
yeah.
steps lighter.
Oh, bad. Oh, nice.
We'll pick it up later.
I'm gonna take a sip. Sprite. That was busting. Bruh. Blah 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 blah. Wait. No. A super pigeon. Where though?
mini break. Passing by on purpose. Corners feel friendly today.
1 second. Go ahead.
No.
Every step is a tiny negotiation with gravity.
Order. Gather at the central square shortly. The mayor's speech will be thrilling.
Yo, this I Am Bird game is actually fun. I want to go back to Super Pigeon.
Countdown. 30 seconds. Report to the main square and silence your rebellious snacks. Attention, event underway. Present yourself to the main square. Applauding on beat appreciated.
Yo, this is fun. Wait. You guys are definitely down with this. No.
Leave it open. We'll end the flyby. Drops open.
Yeah, this game's hella fun.
Good morning. Churches off limits, peace on schedule.
Shortcut, maybe next
Build
time.
protect structures and restore.
Stride loosens the knots.
Put in the dough.
Sidewalk
I'm
presents.
pro-nature, anti-nature.
Almost there.
Waiting isn't so bad today.
I'm dipping! Come here, you old man! Up,
Exit! Where's the exit?
where's my hideout? Oh, there it is. Have 7,000, huh? Actually, what should I buy? I really don't know, because I really
Lost
want
vision.
that.
Stand down.
I'm gonna save it for the RPG. Sidekick is missing help. Let me investigate. Find the first clue. Oh.
On my way.
I know where that is.
Hold up. How bad is bad?
Oh, what do you mean how bad is bad? Alright guys, this is my last mission and then, yeah. That's it for the video. Oh, I exactly know where that is. Oh. I think I'm gonna go that one over there. Oh wait, no, I said this was my last mission. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna grind up some money and I'm gonna get the RPGs and I'm gonna shoot the policeman. Alright, I'm back. And half enough. Let's go kill these motherfuckers. Truckers. No, I died. Wait, can you die? I don't know. Give me my fucking RPG. I died, but at the showcase of the RPG. It was really fun. I loved it. I loved it so much. My favorite weapon. It's the most expensive one I've noticed, but the best one. If, you know. Alright, I'm gonna take you guys on a ride real quick. I'm just gonna go right through the cracks on that thing and up in the water. Kinda. Oh. Well, I missed. But not this. Oh, yeah. Oh. Alright, let's go home. Well, yeah, guys, that was the showcase of I Am Bird. It's really fun. The next showcase I'm probably gonna do is I Am Monkey. I Am Monkey. I've seen the videos. I want it. I just wanted to showcase I Am Bird. Wait, how much? Wait, hold on. Give me a second. I want to see how much I Am Monkey is. It is $15. Not bad. Cause I Am Bird was $20. Well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Grab quickly when you're sleeping.